Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to learn in lesson 3 in the topic of history. And today lesson we are going to talk about the thing that people use in the past and the thing that people use in the present. We are going to talk about the differences between these two times. Okay. Okay, first we are going to learn the vocabulary. We have six words. So we are going to learn word by word. Start with the first one.
Travel. Travel.
Travel. Travel means to go from one place to another place. Uh, or in Thai we call it เดินทาง The next one.
Wash. Wash.
Wash is to clean something using water or soap or the detergent. For example, you wash your hands, you wash your clothes. Next.
Study. Study.
Study is to learn about a subject, to get a knowledge. For example, you're studying English, you are studying math. The next one.
Listen. Listen.
Listen. Listen is to pay attention to someone or something in order to hear them. It's about the sound and it's related to the ear, using the ears to hear something. Next one.
Send. Send.
Send is to make something go or be taken to a place. When you send letter, it go from one place to another place. Six.
Grow. Grow.
Grow is to increase in size or amount. Or when you grow a plant, start small and then it grow bigger. Next is the structure. We are going to learn two structure today. First is past simple tense, the question form, and another one is used to. Let's learn the first one. Question form of past simple tense. This is the structure of past simple tense question form. We start with did plus subject and followed by verb one or verb infinitive. For example, did you play badminton yesterday? We use this question to ask about the action that happened in the past, or you can add WH question words in front of did. Uh, for example, what did you do yesterday? Uh, or when did you wake up yesterday? The next one is used to. We use used to describe the past action that is no longer true, or the habit in the past that the thing that you do in the past, but now you don't do. Uh, the structure is very simple. Subject followed by used to and followed by verb one or verb infinitive. For example, I used to ride a bike every day when I was young. Or people used to use lanterns before light bulbs. Uh, this is a these are examples. Uh, this is the structure that we use in this lesson. Uh, what did people do before there were, and followed by the thing that we have in the present, but we just want to know what did people do before there were this thing. And when we answer, we use people used to, and the thing that people did in the past. In the past, very simple. For example, what did people do before there were schools? There were school. This is the thing that we want to know. What did people do before there was school? People used to study at home. Next, what did people do before there were cars? People used to. We start the sentence with people used to and ride horses. What do people used to do in the past? Right here. And the next one. What did people do before there were airplanes? People used to travel by boat. These are examples for the structure. The next one is the listening. I will play the audio 2 times so you can listen and circle the answer and then write down your total score here. Okay, let's listen to the audio.
B. 1. Listen and read. Tom and Alfie are exploring the museum.
What did people do before there were light bulbs, Tom?
At night, people used to use lanterns.
Wow, what's this, Tom?
It's a really old car.
Cool! What did people do before there were cars?
People used to ride horses.
Ah, I see. Is that an old phone, Tom?
Yes, it is.
What did people do before there were phones?
People used to send letters to each other.
Wow, that must have been slow. Is that an old plane?
Yes, that's right.
What did people do before there were planes?
People used to travel by boat.
Wow, so cool! Ah!
And one more time. Okay, if you are finished, let's check the answer. Okay, the first one. What did people do before there were cars? People used to ride horses. And number 3. What did people do before there were phones? People used to send letters. And number 4. What did people do before there were planes? People used to travel by boat. If you have the workbook with you, you can do the exercise in workbook page 102 to 103. And I have another worksheet to review the lesson today. So I will post it in the comment section. And today's lesson is now over. I wish you have a good day. See you again next time.